Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the thrift haul from my favorite thrift store that I took you to the other day. So I'm going to show you all the items I got and how I styled most of the items in my decor. All right, so here's what I got. So the first item I found was this big piece of burlap fabric, and the reason I got this is because I wanted it to be the base of my scrap map. So this is the map that I picked up at the Dollar Tree last week, and I'm gonna cut out each individual state and I'm gonna use it as a template. And I'm gonna go through all of my scrap material here and I'm gonna sew them and make a big kind of like wall hanging scrap map there. And yes, I did get this awesome scarf here. It was only $2. I looked at it a couple times and I kept going back to it and I was like, oh, this is just too cool to leave behind. It's actually a pretty big scarf here. I just love the colors in it and the little tassels. And I did end up getting this cute little, I guess it's like a basket vase. This was only 50 cents, so I thought I would work this into my decor somewhere. Just thought it was really unique and fun, so I can't wait to find something to put in the top of that. And the item I'm most excited to show you is this vanity that I got for only $14. The only thing I really did to it was right in here there was a chip mark and then right here. So what I did is I just took some sandpaper and I kind of lightly distressed it a little bit more so it wouldn't be so obvious. And that is a stool I already had. I took the scarf that I had on my armoire and I cut it in half. This is my essential oils diffuser. I got this actually at Aldi's for, it was either $16.99 or $18.99. I want to say it was $18.99, but isn't that pretty? The other item I picked up was this silver tray. It's actually silver on copper, so I think it was just a copper tray and they dipped it in silver. There are some age spots and you can see the copper coming through, but I didn't even care. I just thought it was really cool. So what I did is I just stuck the mug that I got when I went thrifting in the mountains. And I was gonna use this as a planter, but when I got this vanity, I was like, oh, this would be perfect for little makeup brushes. So that's what I did. I just stuck some makeup brushes in there and set it on the silver tray. And I also had this other little tray that I put my essential oils on just to kind of hide some of the aging spots. I got this mirror here, and I actually got this one at the Guardian Angel thrift, and I just haven't showed it, but it was actually an Ikea mirror. See, Diktad? Diktad? I don't know how you say that. And it was like an orangey color. I just took some stain that I had left over and I just gave it a light coat of stain just to darken it up a little bit and make it more rich. I like the tray down here. I can put some stuff in there. Yeah, so that was only $4. It's a vintage handheld mirror. It's like the ones they use in the 50s, and it's got some aging on it, but I just thought it was so cool. And I got that for $3. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and please stay tuned for many more thrift hauls.